Hi, I'm Kiyesola Kolawole and I study chemistry and physics of materials at the University of Salzburg. I also work as a junior engineer in the microoptics department at Sony DADC. I learned about this opportunity from my university's internship and job web platform, and it has been a wonderful opportunity since I joined. There is no doubt that doing an internship at Sony DADC has improved my professional career pathway. I've learned a lot of skills, soft skills and hard skills. Some of the soft skills include communication skills, networking skills by communicating with my professional colleagues and also other interns. My ability to cooperate with my colleagues on several projects has really also helped me, and it has also increased my knowledge of these things that I wouldn't have learned in school. Apart from that, so far there have been a lot of courses that my company had sponsored, indoor courses such as women self-defense courses, and also outdoor courses like skiing, and so many other courses have really been like a wonderful opportunity to also learn extracurricular activities.